CMA Foundation people, it's been a long while since I make videos for you all. So I thought, why not make videos for CMA Foundation so that they can crack CMA Foundation exams very easily and pass with flying colors. So, if you want to get good marks in your exams, CMA Foundation particularly, keep watching the video. Now first I'll tell who I am, then I'll start the video. I am Arzu Baheti, a CMA finalist. I completed CMA Foundation in December 2020 with 316 marks, and I completed my CMA Intermediate with 457 marks in December 2021, and I have also posted my CMA Intermediate result reaction. You can see that video if you have time. Now let's talk about CMA Foundation. In CMA Foundation, theoretically, if you see, there are just 4 subjects, which is Economics and Business Management, Accounts and Costing, Law and Ethics, Maths and Statistics. But practically, there are 8 subjects. Why? Economics and Business Management are just different. Accounts and Costing are different from each other. Law and Ethics are also different from each other. And Maths and Statistics are different from each other. Now for accounts and maths, I have made a detailed video, and if you want to get detailed strategy of those 2 subjects, you can see my channel. Otherwise, I'm just gonna give tips and tricks in this video. You can also watch this video. So let's get started. First, economics and management. If you have studied well in class 11th and 12th, if you have studied economics well of class 11th and 12th, you are able to score good in economics in CMA Foundation, because the whole syllabus of CMA Foundation economics is just class 11th and 12th. So this is very easy, like demand, supply, all those things are there, and if you have studied it well, good to go. But don't worry if you have not studied. It's easy. You can follow YouTube channels. There are so many YouTube channels for CMA Foundation particularly. Just follow them. I would recommend CA Bhakt for economics and business management. It's a theory subject first of all, so you might get bored when you start studying it by yourself. So it's better if you study with the help of any YouTube channel. And for economics, I will give you just one tip, that highlight wherever you can, you think that there might be a MCQ, there might be an MCQ which can be formed by the CMA Institute, so highlight it. Don't think that like this is so silly, how can they ask? They can ask everything, anything, everything, anything. They can of course ask. For business management, you can do it by yourself, or also you can follow in your YouTube channel. Same strategy I followed for economics and business management, because sometimes you might get bored because it's a theory subject, and while reading it you may feel sleepy. So it's better to get a backup plan for these 2 subjects. And there are no specific tricks for learning economics and business management. For business management, you can follow any trick, but for economics, it's just a concept. Like if you know when demand will increase, like if demand is increasing or not increasing with income, if supply will increase or not increase, so you should know all those things. Now let's go to the next subject, which is accounts and costing. Now costing, we are going to become CMA, so of course you have to study costing well, and there's like just this much costing in CMA Foundation, so don't try to skip it, because cost sheet is very easy. You just need to know the concept, which is like prime cost, cost of production, cost of sales. You just have to learn cost sheet and some of the basic concept of costing. Other than this, I don't think so there is much in costing, and you are easily to get 20 marks in costing. So it's like a easy to grab opportunity while studying costing. And accounts, I told you there are many important chapters you should follow for accountancy, and it's all about this it's all about the class 12th and 11th commerce accounts. which you have studied. So if you have done well at that time, so it will get easy this time. Wow. Now law and ethics. Again a law, again a theory. Ethics is so easy. Like you can read ethics in just 2 hours, max to max 3 hours, and you are able to get 30 marks easily. Like you can understand 30 marks, it can easily make you pass the exams, it can easily make you clear your 300 target. So don't skip ethics, and then study Indian Contract Act well. Why I am telling that? Because Indian Contract Act is not only there in CMA Foundation, the whole act is there in CMA Intermediate as well. So don't try to skip it. It's easy and you are easily able to score 40 marks. Like with ethics and Indian Contract Act, you are able to pass easily law, but still you have to study SOGA, which is Sales of Goods Act, and Negotiable Act. Why I am telling you have to study? Because they both are also there in CMA Intermediate. You have to study it whether in CMA Foundation or CMA Intermediate. So it's better to study it CMA Foundation so that your CMA Intermediate burden get less. Now let's talk about the maths subject. Maths and statistics. The only idea behind this is understand the formula. Don't learn the formula. If you are able to understand it easily, you are able to solve the sums easily. I was a non-math student. I took IP in my class 12th, but still I was able to get 94 in maths and statistics. So you can easily imagine how important it is to understand the formula, not learn the formula. Now this was the whole subject tips and tricks. I will say some of the tips and tricks for other things. Like in CMA Foundation, your whole exam is MCQ based. So instead of solving the long sums, try to solve just the transaction of those sums. In accounts, I am telling particularly, because see, if your transaction is well, of course your sum will get well. So just solve the transaction in accounts, and same with costing. Like if you don't even know what is direct cost, what is direct expenses, what is indirect cost, what is overheads, what is factory administration, selling and distribution overhead, then do study them well, because you are becoming a CMA. You should study costing well. For law and ethics, highlight the only thing and solve each and every MCQs of not only book, of workbook. Wherever you find any MCQ, just try to solve it. It's not going to take so much your time that you have to sit, you have to solve like this. No, it's not going to take so much time. It's just 5 to 10 minutes you are able to solve 10 to 15 MCQs. So see, till the exams you can solve so many of MCQs. For maths and statistics, I have shared a detailed video. You can definitely check that video. For maths and statistics, if you are a maths student, like you had maths in class 12th and 11th, so it's easy. But if you don't get scared. It's very easy. It's the only basic of class 11th and 12th, so you will be able to do it easily if you try it. If you are going to get scared in the beginning, you can't be able to do it, because the whole game depends on your mindset. If your mindset is strong, if your mindset is that yes, I can do it, of course you can do it. With maths I am tackling. Economics in business management, as I have said earlier, just highlight the important thing that would definitely help you the most in your exam time. All the strategies will help you to clear not only CMA Foundation but also get your base strong for CMA Intermediate as well. And for 1 month or 2 months are enough if you study 7 to 8 hours regularly for CMA Foundation. Well, not 7 to 8. If you study 4 to 5 hours also, that's also enough for CMA Foundation. This is one tip. Second tip is solve as much MCQs as you can, because one MCQ can change your whole CMA foundation result. Because see, if you going to get failed at 198, it's going to hurt so much. So it's better to solve as much MCQs as you can. Any YouTube channel that I want to recommend is CA Bhakt, Mohit Agrawal classes, Arjun Chhabra classes. Like Mohit Agrawal for all the subjects, CA Bhakt for all the subjects, Arjun Chhabra tutorial, not classes, Arjun Chhabra tutorial for foundation law, and there are many. One more one more trick I want you to share is that you should know the calculator tricks. Like if you don't even know how to use MRC, then you can't be able to solve it easily. If you don't even know how to get the cube root or any root you want to get in calculator, CMA foundation will be not so easy for you. So try to learn calculator tricks, and there are so many videos on YouTube for calculator tricks. You can follow them. I try to cover as much as I can, and I have covered most of the topics. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you are able to pass the exams, do write a message in my Instagram DM. My ID is arzubaheti08. So yeah, that's it for this video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.